Alright, this is just a teaser recipe or video for my new recipe for beef stew that I'm developing for the gigantic Instant Pot. That's the whatever 8-quart or something, the biggest one they have at the moment in 2019. Keep you posted. Well, I just took the top off it. It's done. I got to give it a stir now. That's the water level was low in there. A little bit higher than I'd expect right now, but after I give it a stir it should be great. Oh yeah, this stew is looking pretty amazing right now, so that's going to be pretty awesome. We'll let you know how it tastes. And it looks pretty awesome in the bowl. Oh man, can't wait to get that into me. So at the butcher at the supermarket, the B&H here in Kemptville, they only had 1 pound of beef out in stewing and it was trimmed within an inch of its life. So I asked for 3 pounds with a fair bit of fat in it, and all he had left was the strip loin. So that's all strip loin in there, but I got it at stewing beef price. It's pretty awesome. And it just fell apart in that Instant Pot. So that's chunks of beef that are just falling apart. They're so well done.